This is the GEETECH PLA 1.75 millimeter filament. It's bone white. It's kind of closer to a tan, a very light tan than white. It has a dimensional accuracy of plus minus 0.02 millimeters. What you're going to see me do here is one of the things I like to test on filament is to see how well it is wound, and basically is it tangle free. So you can see here no issues with tangles. Usually these are going to tangle in about the first couple meters, and this is going out silky smooth. So you're going to close up here of it here in a second. Um, as you can see, it's no tangles whatsoever. So um, this is a sample print. I printed it at 50 millimeters for the first layer, 300 for all other layers. The layer height was 0.2. The first layer temp was 210. All other layers were printed at 200. No supports, no brims, no rafts. The bed temperature was 65. Layer adhesion was good, and bed adhesion was good. It's actually almost too good, so it was pretty tough to pull off. So no issues with this.